So today topic is IUPAC naming of acid anhydride. Acid anhydride means RC11O This is called as acid anhydride. Acid anhydride. Acid anhydride. See here IUPAC name of acid anhydride is alkanoic anhydride. IUPAC name of acid anhydride is alkanoic anhydride. Alkanoic anhydride. IUPAC name of acid anhydride is alkanoic anhydride. Here RC double bond O C double bond O or hydrolysis gives two types of acids 2RC double bond O OH. Here after hydrolysis it gives same type of acid. Suppose I take different alkyl group containing acid anhydride. Hydrolysis gives HOH. It gives two types of acids RC double bond OH plus R dash C double bond OH. Here after hydrolysis gives same type of acids. Here after hydrolysis gives different types of acids. In this case give numbering one side only. In this case give numbering two sides. Why I give here only one side? After hydrolysis gives only one type of acid. Here two types of acid. So in this case give numbering for both sides 1 and 2. For in this case give numbering only one side because after hydrolysis gives only one acid. Here after hydrolysis gives two different acids. So acid anhydride IUPAC name is alkanoic anhydride. Alkanoic anhydride. So after hydrolysis gives only one acid, give numbering only one side. After hydrolysis gives two different acids, give numbering for both sides. Suppose I take one example. See here. CH3 C double bond O C double bond O CH3. Here after hydrolysis it gives only one type of acid. So in this case we have to give only one side numbering 1 2. So what is the IUPAC name? Alkanoic anhydride. Here two carbons are present in chain, so it is ethanoic anhydride. What is the IUPAC name? Ethanoic anhydride. Ethanoic anhydride. Ethanoic anhydride. Suppose I take different types of R groups here. Suppose C double bond O, CH2, CH3. After hydrolysis, it gives different types of acid. It is ethanoic acid, is propanoic acid. In this case, you have to give numbering for both sides. Suppose 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So what is the IUPAC name of this compound is? Here 2 carbons, here 3 carbons. So while writing IUPAC name, you should follow alphabetical order. So ethanoic, propanoic anhydride. What is the IUPAC name? Ethanoic, propanoic, ethanoic, propanoic anhydride. Ethanoic, propanoic anhydride. Here, in this case, I consider only one side. In this case, I give numbering both sides. Why? After hydrolysis, it gives only one type of acid. Here, after hydrolysis, gives two different type of acids. If it gives two different types of acid, consider numbering both sides. If it gives same type of acid, only give numbering from one side. Only give numbering to one side. So suppose I take cyclic compound. Suppose cyclic compound means C double bond O, C double bond O. This is acid anhydride. Here hydrolysis gives, suppose OH and H, hydrolysis gives here two acids, but these two acids are in one chain. In this case, give numbering from here 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 3, 4. But after hydrolysis, it gives here after hydrolysis what happened here? C double bond O OH C double bond O OH. So it gives two types of acids in one chain. In this case, we have to call it as dioic anhydride. Dioic anhydride. So where it is dioic anhydride, what 1 and 4th position. So how many carbons are present in chain? 4 carbons. So it is butanoic, butane, dioic anhydride. Why I use dioic anhydride? After hydrolysis, two acids are in there. So I call it as dioic anhydride. Dioic anhydride. Dioic anhydride. So here, after hydrolysis gives only one type of acid. After hydrolysis gives two types of acid. In this case, we call it as ethanoic propanoic anhydride. Here in cyclic compound, after hydrolysis gives two types of acids in one chain. In this case, we call it as dioic anhydride. Dioic anhydride. Suppose cyclic compounds. I take cyclic compounds means suppose C double bond O, C double bond O. In this case, where these are present at 1,2 position. So in this case, what is the name of this compound is cyclohexane, cyclohexane 1,2 dicarboxylic anhydride, dicarboxylic anhydride. Why I call as dicarboxylic here anhydride? I am not giving numbering to the carbons here. Only I start numbering from here. So if I not give number to the carbon is called as carboxylic anhydride. Carboxylic anhydride. So open chain form, it gives after hydrolysis same type of acids. So I give numbering only one side. If it gives two types of acids, I give numbering from both sides. Suppose in cyclic compound, after hydrolysis gives two acids in one chain. In this case, I use dioic anhydride. Dioic anhydride. In this case, C double bond O, C double bond present at 1,2 position. I am not giving numbering to the C double bond O. In this case, I call it as carboxylic anhydride. This is the IUPAC name of acid anhydride. IUPAC name of acid anhydride. Thank you for watching my video.